Hello students, today we are going to study about the price elasticity of demand. Let's see the meaning of price elasticity of demand. Price elasticity of demand shows the proportion to which demand changes with a change in price. That means price change होने के वजह से demand में कितना changes आता है. That is known as price elasticity of demand. It is expressed as proportionate change in demand upon proportionate change in price. Elasticity of price is denoted with EP. Elasticity of price is denoted with EP. That means percentage change in demand upon percentage change in price. Now here is the definition given by Marshall. According to Marshall, the degree of elasticity of demand depends upon the extent of rise in demand because of a fall in price and upon the extent of fall in demand because of a rise in price. This means if the price is low, the demand will be high. If the price is high, demand will be low. Degree of price elasticity of demand. Now let's see the degree. There are 5 degrees. First one is perfectly elastic demand, perfectly inelastic demand, unitary elastic demand, relatively elastic demand, relatively inelastic demand. Let's see one by one what are these degrees. Perfectly elastic demand, it is denoted with EP. EP means elasticity of equals to infinite. The symbol is known as infinite. When there is an infinite change in demand for commodity T because of negligible change in its price, which may be as low as 0, then such a demand is called perfectly elastic demand, and the elasticity of demand is equals to infinite. Formula: elasticity of price equals to proportionate change in demand upon proportionate change in price, which will be equals to infinite. Now infinite means what? There will be no change in the price. There will be no change in the price, but the demand will be having the changes. Infinite means how much it can be changed. Okay, it can be changed how much also. Here is the x-axis. Always on x-axis we are in the law of demand only. I have said on the x-axis, that is horizontal line, demand is there. On the vertical line, that is y, we are denoting with it price. In the figure, the demand curve DD is horizontal straight line parallel to x-axis and depicts infinite change in demand at the same price. That means price will be same, but the demand curve will be having infinite change. Infinite change means it will go on changing. There will be no any effect of price. Why? Because the price is not changing. Next degree is perfectly inelastic demand. Here, perfectly inelastic demand, the price elasticity of demand is always equals to 0. When price of a commodity, say commodity K, changes by any amount, say 10%, but there is no change in its demand, then such a demand is called perfectly inelastic demand. By the formula, elasticity of price equals to proportionate change in demand upon proportionate change in price. Here the example is given to us. Here the diagram is also shown to us. Here the demand curve. Here price may change. Price may be low also, price may be high also. But demand, there will be no change in the demand. There will be no change in the demand. That means whenever the elasticity of price is equals to 0, it means perfectly inelastic demand. It is perfectly inelastic demand. At that time the demand curve will be parallel to y-axis. But when it is perfectly elastic demand, at that time the demand curve will be parallel to x-axis. That means price will not change, demand will change. Perfectly inelastic demand means price will change, demand will not get changed. Next degree, unitary elastic demand. Here elasticity of price equals to 1. When the percentage change in demand is proportionate to percentage change in price, then it is called unitary elastic demand. For example, if price of commodity S falls by 5% and its demand by 5%, then there is unitary change in demand. Unitary means same. Unitary means same. If the price will fall by 5%, its demand will also be increased by 5%. If the price falls by 5%, demand will increase by 5%. Means vice versa. Here also the formula will be same for proportionate change in demand upon proportionate change in price. Now let's see the diagram. When proportionate change in demand and proportionate change in price are equal, then demand of a commodity is known as unitary elastic demand. In the diagram on the demand curve DD, when price falls by PP1 amount, demand which expands by MM1 is exactly same as price change. Here we can see. When the price falls from P to P1, the demand increase from M to M1. That means whatever is the change in the price, that much will be the change in the demand. If price will increase, the demand will decrease. But it will be having the equal proportionate. This is known as unitary elastic demand. This is known as unitary elastic demand. Next degree is of relatively elastic demand. Here elasticity of price is always greater than 1. When percentage change in demand is proportionately more than percentage change in price, then such demand is called relatively elastic demand. For example, if the price of commodity R rises by 10% and its demand falls by 30%, means there will be only 10% rise in the price, but demand will be falls by 30%. That means 3 times more than the price. Then its demand is called elastic demand. Its demand is called elastic demand. Let's see the diagram. In the diagram on the demand curve DD, when price rises by P to P1, amount demand falls by M to M1, amount which is proportionately greater than that of price. This type of elasticity is observed for luxury goods like television, cars, etc. Here with the help of graph we can see there is a small rise in price, but because of this small rise in price, there is high decrease in demand. There is high decrease in demand. So this is called relatively elastic demand. This means elasticity of price is greater than 1. Relatively inelastic demand. Elasticity of price is less than 1. When percentage change in demand is proportionately lesser than percentage change in price, then such demand is called relatively inelastic demand. For example, when price of commodity G rises by 20% and as a result its demands fall only by 5%, then its demand is called relatively inelastic demand. Here means the price will be rising by 20%, but the demand will fall by only 5%. That means it's 1/4. It's 1/4. Let's see with the help of diagram. When price elasticity is less than 1, then demand is called as an inelastic demand of commodity. In the diagram on demand curve DD, when price rises by PP1 amount, demand falls by MM1 amount, which is proportionately lesser than that of price. This type of elasticity is observed for necessary goods like food grains, milk, oil, etc. Here see, we can see when there is high rise in price, but there will be low change in demand. We can take the example of rice, wheat, sugar. In earlier time it was 2 rupees, then it became 10 rupees. Now it is 50 rupees per kg. But then also the people are purchasing it, but the demand will become less. This is called relatively inelastic demand. This is called relatively inelastic demand. Thank you.